Well, the Brownlow's new addition today, Peugeot 5-seater 8995 turbo diesel, just come into stock, only done 27,000 miles from new. The car will come with a 12 months MOT with no advisories, 3-month warranty standard. Come and see David at Brownlow Cars. Inside the car we have full velour trim with a 5-speed manual gearbox, electric windows, CD player, cruise control, speed limiter, electric wing mirrors as well. Like I say, the car will come with a 12 months MOT, no advisories, 3-month warranty standard. Come and see David at Brownlow's. Where'd you get them?
At Brownlow Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Horton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.